Hi, today we're going to demonstrate how to construct a trim bend through 90 degrees to form an external corner as shown in this photo. For this you will need a good pair of cutters and a file. As you can see, we're cutting a V out of the back of the trim. The V needs to be more than 90 degrees to allow the trim to bend unimpeded. The trim also needs to be cut right to the back of the trim, as shown. Next, with a file, replicate the V on the front of the trim. Take care while doing this to hold the trim firmly to avoid scratching on the front side. Once the V is established, simply bend the trim to the 90 degrees and fit to the panel. Hope you enjoyed our demonstration, and for more information you can visit our website reflectionssplashback.co.nz or call us on 0508 332272.